When I first started this YouTube channel, Think YouTube, I started it with the idea that I'm just gonna create another tutorial channel sharing people how to do various things on YouTube, how to find this, how to find that. But then my agenda was always to provide value. And then one day it hits me while walking outside with my son. What if I share with people how I'm growing on YouTube as a small content creator? And I always say to myself, when I become successful, I will share with people how I did it on YouTube. And this was always delaying me to share the knowledge I have because I always wanted to wait until I become successful first. And then I think that I will have some proof that I can share with someone how I've done this, how I've done that. But the real truth is, you don't have to wait until you become successful before you can start sharing your knowledge. And that's when I realized that I am confident that I can provide value to you with the knowledge and the experience that I've gained over the last couple of years. And that's what this channel is about. So what I've done here, guys, I've created just a basic PowerPoint presentation. I am not doing any fancy editing, even though I can do this. But the purpose of me going so basic is to share with you that you don't have to be an amazing editor. You don't have to do anything fancy to succeed on YouTube. All you need is to provide value to people and people will support you. So let's jump into this presentation. Welcome to Think YouTube. I'm Andrew Little. So let's get started. So what's on this agenda for today? I'm going to share with you who I am, what Think YouTube is about, the value it will provide to you, and my tutorial business model which I've been using over the last 2 years that is bringing me success, and some important notes that you will learn in order to succeed with this business model. So who am I? As I said, I'm Andrew Little. I am a small content creator who discovered a working business model after failing on so many different attempts on YouTube. And it is currently working for me. And I don't want to wait years on top of years until I start making lots of money online, but would like to share this with you now so that you can start to benefit from this business model. You see, guys, as you can see in the right hand side, that's my family, that's my son, that's my wife, and I am doing this solely to ensure that I can provide for my family, not only for them directly, but to also help my mom and my sister and my niece and all the other relatives in my small family so that I can help to make them happy and to provide for them. You see, over the years, I've tried so many things, guys. I've tried drop shipping and I've started to make some money from that, but I wasn't patient enough. I've tried so many different YouTube channels. I've tried to do this motivational channel, which I got monetized very quickly. Then it got demonetized because of copyright. Then I've tried the drone footage, which I've used various clips that I've got from stock footage to create these beautiful videos with sound design. And of course, that didn't get monetized as well because the footage were not originally mine. And I've tried so many other channels, guys, that didn't work out and so they failed. And then one day it came to me, why not just put in the hard work? It will take longer, yes, but at least I know that my content will be original and that I'm 100% sure that this will provide value to people, and I'm sure YouTube will allow me to monetize that channel. And that's why I've gone into the tutorial space, particular in creating tutorials about technology. And the reason for this is what my daily life and work is about. I am not a full-time content creator. I currently still doing my full-time job. I'm currently a team lead in a company and I have about 10 people under me. My salary is not so bad, but I'm not the richest person. At the end of the month, I'm almost broke, just the same with my basic salary, but at least it can provide for my family. Right? So my son is just 2 years now. And so my wife has just completed 2 years of parental leave. And so she's recently back to work. So over the last 2 years, all the money that I've had coming in from my work, from my day job, was just covering our bills and taking care of the family. At least we managed to go on a few vacations, which I give thanks for, but that was just it. Now we will be able to save a little bit more because, we are working with two incomes now and not one anymore. So that's just a backstory of my life, guys. And I'm so excited to share with you what I want to provide to you on this channel. So what is Think YouTube? Think YouTube is a channel where I'll share uncut videos of behind the scenes on how I create and grow my YouTube channels. It's as simple as that, but it's going to provide you a ton of value. And unlike other content creators or some other creators who will share with you some nice videos and give you some topics here and there, you'll be able to watch my channels behind the scene, how I do every single thing, how my channels are progressing, how the revenue I'm earning, every single thing you'll be learning from this channel. So if this is something that you'll find interesting, then I want to recommend that you hit that subscribe button to become a part of this really amazing community that I'm trying to build here for all small content creators or people who are trying to get started on YouTube, right? So what kind of value and benefits will you get from this channel? A ton of value I want to bring to you. I'm going to show you how to create a tutorial YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you how to optimize your channel and your YouTube videos as well. You will be able to learn the tutorial business model step by step with me, and on a daily basis or a weekly basis when I release those videos showing you how I'm working, you will get to see that tutorial business model in play step by step, how I'm working with it every single day, right? You will see how I record my videos. You will learn about my research strategy and the tools that I'm using every single day on my various YouTube channels. I'll be providing frequent uploads to this channel as well so that you can see my progress. And on top of that, I will share with you how to identify niches and videos to make. And because you'll be seeing behind the scenes of how I'm growing in my channels, how I'm doing my research, you'll see those various niches popping up here and there, and I will recommend them to you so that if you want to start a channel like this, you can start creating a channel under that specific niche. I will be providing a ton of value to you guys. And as I said, I'll be sharing with you every single thing, because guess what? There's no point for me to hide what I'm doing because you can see it anyways. And guess what? We're living in a world of abundance. And all I want to do is provide to you value, and I'm sure I'll get my blessing in return in one way or the next. Now, I will also be sharing you tips and recommendations to succeed in this niche as I continue to grow, and of course, and as you continue to see my success. I'll be going through YouTube monetization as well. Of course, I have a channel that is currently monetized and it's bringing me some income, but I've also have other channels that I'm currently working on that is not yet monetized, and you'll be seeing those journey as I grow those channels to monetization, and you'll be able to enjoy that success with me as well. I'll be sharing with you the tasks that I'm outsourcing, and I'm going to share with you the various tasks that you can outsource if you have a bit of money to spend here and there to outsource various tasks to make your life easier so you can focus on other things. I'll be sharing with you affiliate programs as I discover them, and the current affiliate programs that I'm currently using that is working for me, or I think that is very good for a niche like this, so that you too can start with those affiliate programs as well. Collaboration and sponsorship deals, I won't share with you the specific company, but I'll be sharing with you how it works once you start a channel like this, once your channel start to get some attraction, and various companies will reach out to you, and how you can work with these sponsorship deals. And of course, the mindset that you should have towards these sponsorship and collaboration. And one of the most important thing is the mindset and motivation that you need to have to succeed in this niche, because this niche is not a niche that is going to allow you to blow up right away, but it's something that requires time and patience and dedication. So I'm going to show you how I've managed to stay motivated over the last couple of years, how I've managed to stay consistent and motivated until I reach monetization, till I start to see success. And this kind of mindset will help you to continue to grow as well. So the tutorial business model is simple, guys. It's basically create evergreen tutorial videos in the technology space. This is a space that I'm in. It is a fun niche, and it's very simple, and anyone at any age, anywhere in this world can do this business model because it's so easy to do. Now, I'm going to provide you even more value. So I'm going to show you how I research my topics, right? The videos and the keywords that I'm using and the tools that I'm using for that. Record videos, so you'll see how I'm doing these things as well. You'll be learning about editing videos yourself and outsourcing editing, creating thumbnails, optimizing video title and description, reviewing your analytics, and manage a work-life balance, and also how to manage burnout, right? So these are just the tip of the iceberg, just a handful of topics that you'll be learning on this channel. and I really hope that you will find value. So these are the things that I've acquired over the last years becoming a YouTuber, or let's say as a small content creator, that it's keeping me every single day. And I've now discovered a business model that is working for me. And I'm not gonna wait until I become super successful, earning a ton of money online, to share this with you so that you can see my fancy house and my fancy car and all the different things that I have. But so you can learn it as I grow. And on top of that, you will be able to benefit right now, not later on. So as so many other content creators are showing their lifestyle already, and you can see what they have. But so you can learn right now from me and start growing as well. And you will see the real process and journey to success and to succeed on YouTube by following my channel here. Now, benefits of this tutorial business model. It is faceless, or it can be faceless, and I'm using the faceless business model. And the reason for this, I started off showing my face, but then with having a family, having a small kid, having a full-time job, it doesn't always work with my timing and the family time to put up my camera and set up my lighting and to record my videos. Sometimes it's just easy for me to grab my laptop and move to the living room when my son is sleeping or my wife is sleeping and just record a tutorial. And I realized that with the faceless approach, it allows me to record a ton of more videos, and I think that it's working best for me. So it's absolutely amazing, and you can find a ton of different channels doing the same thing. This business model, the videos are simple and easy to make, and you will see what I'm talking about. The content is evergreen, so you want to make content that are evergreens because people are always searching for these kind of contents. And so once your channel start to get some attraction, you will realize that you're getting a lot of views consistently. The channel has great earning potentials, and you will see as a small content creator how much I'm earning. And on top of that, I'll be sharing with you a ton of different YouTube channels that I've come across which are making ridiculous money with this model. And I can tell you that it is accurate because you will see what I'm earning, and I'll show you the tools that I'm using to check those earnings, and you can see that it is roughly the same and that it actually somehow makes sense. So you will see the average what these content creators are earning, and you will say, okay, well, it really makes sense if I stick with it. So the earning potential is massive. A business model for everyone. So it doesn't matter your situation. If you're a teenager, if you're a teenager and you have a computer, if you're in university, if you're a working class, if you're an elderly person, if you have a full-time job, if you're just getting started on YouTube, it doesn't matter what your situation is, you can get started with this business model. All you have to do is just take it seriously. Wealth of niches to choose from. There are so many different niches that you can go into. You don't even have to niche down. You can go broad. You can discover niches over time and go into smaller channels, go into smaller niches here and there, something of which I am doing, but you will learn from me as I share these niches, as I discover them, and we go along from there. It allows you to learn and to teach. What I mean by this is that as you continue to come up with ideas of the videos you should make and the tutorials you should make for your channel, you are learning in the process, because the things that you will discover, you will be learning how to do them and then make a video for them. And that's amazing. Over time, you will see the amount of things that you learn from YouTube by simply having a business model like this. Amazing stuff, guys. Important notes that I want to leave you with, guys. This business model, it requires time and it requires patience. And consistency is key. The views I want to mention with you. Some of these views is not like the other channels where you will post a video and immediately you have thousands of views. So you want to keep in mind that there's a lower view count per video, but consistent views. And over time, these videos grow to get millions or hundreds of thousands of views, and you will see. So you might post a video today, you get 5 views. You might post a video tomorrow, and in space of a week you get 50 views, or you might post a video and you get 100 or 1,000 views in a couple of days. But over time you will realize that these videos that you will publish, they're continuous to get views, and you realize that the amount of views that you're getting on your channel, and most importantly, I forgot to add this this niche is about numbers. What I mean by that is that the amount of videos you will publish will get small amount of views per video, but the collective of amount of videos you have on your channel that are getting small amount of views, they each add up and give you a lot of views every single day, every single month. That will add up on your channel to give you nice money every single month. So guys, that is basically it for this video. I want to say, if you find value within this video, or if you find value with the content that I am about to share with you on this channel, I would really appreciate if you take the moment to hit that subscribe button. And I want to say, let's get started, because this channel will provide you a ton of value going forward. Thank you guys for your time. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video as I get started to start sharing quite a lot of fun stuff with you guys. See you next time.